Hi everyone, J7409 here with a weather news alert. The name you know, the news you can use. Yes, we have tornado watches out till 5 p.m. today. The most areas that look like promising areas look like that they could produce are in Louisiana and in Texas at this time. I'll blow this up just a little bit. Earlier this morning, around 11:30, there was a tornado warning out in Louisiana, but it has extinguished. That was a warning. But as of now, we have these watches up that I want to show you and tell you about in certain areas, especially if you're traveling in that way and you're out and about. And even if you're not traveling, if you live in those areas, you need to be aware of what's going on in these areas. Now, this is the latest radar. You can see the time right here. It goes right up to the latest radar that's out for these areas. You've heard me talk in the past about hook systems, hook little cloud systems that make up. They are what produce tornadoes. They are what produces tornadoes. And if we look around, we can see, especially up in this area, right here's one over in this area. We have some more. There's one right there. See how it kind of curves down? And some signs, it might not necessarily be a tornado you're looking at for one to happen, though. It could be one. And when I say that, what I mean by that, this is some things you need to look for, people. If you've got very dark skies, sometimes even kind of a greenish look to them, you could have a tornado nearby. Hail. Hail's falling down out of the sky, but it is not raining. That's another sign. There could be a tornado close by. Sometimes the wind will die down, become very still, and then boom, it picks back up. Now, of course, you might hear a roar. A lot of people compare this to like a freight train going by. You can hear that also. It means a tornado may be nearby. And large wall clouds, watch them. Watch the clouds and watch and see how they look like they're forming. It's another sign there may be a tornado. But there is watches up, and like I say this morning, there was a warning. It was around the Shreveport area up in here, but it is extinguished now and is no longer in use. But look, all of these, see how they have those little curves in them? You can see the areas. They are what produce a tornado. Now, a tornado watch, this is the third one they've put up. It's in effect until 5 p.m. STS time for the following locations. Now, in Louisiana, Arcadia, you see them all. Chattanooga, Franklin, Jefferson, Davis. You see all of the different places there. You have a tornado watch until 5 p.m. this afternoon. Now, also, there's a tornado watch that's in effect for Orange and Newton counties in Texas. This is the Texas counties, Newton and Orange counties, until 5 p.m. Okay? So please keep this in mind, and this is for your time, Central Standard Time. I told you guys all this was coming. Please be aware of it. Please stay safe, okay? Please stay safe. This is a warning now. I'm telling you as a warning, but these are watches. Watches, tornado watches for these areas. We'll try to get a little better look right quick, a little bigger look, I should say, of these systems. You can tell there's very heavy rain, thunderstorm activity. It's very hot, it's very humid. It's perfect for a tornado to make up. I can't stress that enough. As we come down here, we'll let it run on through one more time. Here's Shreveport. Here's Alexandria. You can see the way the systems are moving. And as we stop, we have two little indentions here. Two little hooks here. There's a hook up there. All of these. There's a big hook. Big hook just north of Jenna. Right up in here. And they go all around, folks. You can see this whole batch of rain as we move on up here, you can look at all the hooks around them. All of these are very, very dangerous. So please, please keep this in mind if you're in these areas. Be safe, be blessed. Keep your eyes on the sky and everything around you. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing, sharing this important information to help me get the word out to others, to help keep everybody safe. Thank you for your comments and your upvotes. I love you all. Much peace and love to each of you.